The second rebuild of the GP30s in the Cleburne Shops was in 1982. This time they were renumbered in the 2700 through 2784 series. The model designation was changed to GP30u. The U designated upgraded. Our conversion of GP30 1274 to a GP30u will feature smoke deflectors and snow shrouds. The 1200 class blue and yellow freight paint scheme will be changed to the 2700 class yellow warbonnet paint scheme. Although commercially produced smoke deflectors and snow shrouds are available, I have elected to scratch build the smoke deflectors from either styrene or brass, and our new friend Paul Montgomery will 3D print the snow shrouds. The smoke deflectors were designed to lift the smoke away from the air intake on the top of the long hood, and the snow shrouds were designed to keep snow from clogging up the filter grills on the sides of the long hood. The GP30u rebuilds served Santa Fe until the merger with Burlington Northern in 1995. AT&SF continued using them for years, renumbering them into the 2400 through 2476 series.